Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful shoe sole for 2 years old baby. So let's get started and make it. For this tutorial here I am using Bentley double knit yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissor. First I am using this yarn and I am going to make the slip knot. So hold yarn like in fingers, insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with the thumb, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, 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 like this, and complete the total of 18 chains for this pattern. Make 14 more, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, until you complete the total of 18 chains. Here my 18 chains complete, you see clearly. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch. In first chain I'm going to make 2 double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, make one more into the same chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here we have 2 double crochet in first chain. Next I'm going to make 1 double crochet until you reach into the last. Just make 1 double crochet until you reach here, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you reach into the last chain. Here I reach into the last chain, and in last chain I am going to make 6 double crochet stitches. 1, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is my second double crochet into the last chain. Third double crochet into the last chain, make 3 more. Fourth double crochet into the last chain. Fifth double crochet into the last chain, and one more, sixth double crochet into the last chain. Next I'm going to repeat same pattern, 1 double crochet in each chain below until you reach into the last chain. Repeat same pattern here, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. These 6 double crochets for making a turn round the stitches, and next I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each chain below. You see clearly how I make this. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment and just complete it. Here my 1 double crochet complete. Now into the last chain I'm going to make total of 3 double crochet stitches. In starting I already make 3 chain and 2 double crochet. They will be counted as a 3 double crochet, and in the last I'm going to make 3 double crochet more, and the total will be total of 6 double crochet inside. Next I'm going to make slip stitch, insert your hook into the last chain and pull yarn twice. This is my first round complete. You see clearly how long it is. Now for the next round I'm going to make chain 1 on top, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, like here 1 and 2. In these chains we're gonna make 2 double crochet. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make one more into the same chain below, like this. Repeat same pattern into the next chain, make 2 double crochet stitch here. This is the first double crochet in second chain, and this is the second double crochet in second chain. Next repeat same pattern, 1 double crochet stitches in next 15 chains. So repeat it and make total of 15. 1 2 3 4, make 11 more double crochet stitches in next 11 chains. 5 6 7 8 9 10, make 5 more. 11 12 13 14 and 15. Here my 15 double crochet stitches in 15 chains below, you see clearly. Next I'm going to make 2 double crochet stitches in next 6 chains until we have the total of 12 double crochet stitches. In first chain I'm going to make 2 like this. In next chain repeat same pattern, make 2 double crochet. In third chain repeat 2 double crochet. In fourth chain make 2 double crochet stitch. In fifth chain make 2 double crochet stitch. And in last sixth chain make 2 double crochet stitch. Now in last I have 12 double crochet stitches in 6 chains below. Next repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in next 15 chains and complete it. Here my 15 double crochet complete. Now in last 3 chain I am going to repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet stitches in each chain below and complete the total of 6 double crochet in last 3 chains. Like make 2 pair of double crochet. This is my last chain and I make 2 double crochet in this chain. After this I am going to make slip stitch into the first of chain, insert a hook and pull yarn twice. Here my second round complete, you see clearly. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Now for the next round, I'm going to make chain 1. In this round, I'm going to make single crochet and half double crochet stitches. Now in first chain, I'm going to make 2 single crochet, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Again insert a hook into the same chain below. Just insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Now in next chain I'm going to make 2 single crochet stitch, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops like this. Here my 2 single crochet complete. Next I'm going to make 1 single crochet in next 8 chain. This is first single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and one more into the last and make 8. Make last single crochet and then I'm going to make half double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it into 3 loops and make total of 7 half double crochet stitches in next 7 chains, third and fourth and fifth. Make 2 more half into the next 2 chains, sixth, 7 and make 1 more into the last. Next I'm going to make 1 half double crochet stitch in one chain and in second chain I'm going to make 2 half double crochet. This is first chain and here I make 1 and into the next I'm going to make 2 half. In this chain make 1 and in second chain I'm going to make 2 half double crochet. This is for increasing stitching. In first chain I'm going to make 1 and in second chain I'm going to make 2 half double crochet stitches. until you complete the total of round and increase stitches. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. 1 and then 2 into the next, again 1 into the next chain, and then 2 half double crochet into the next chain. Now make last pair just 1 into the next and 2 half double crochet into the next. So here my pattern complete, you see clearly on the sides. Next I'm going to repeat same pattern, 1 half double crochet in next 7 chains. So repeat same pattern, make 1 half double crochet in next 7 chains. Here my half double crochet complete. Now insert your hook into the next 7 chains and make 1 single crochet stitch in next 7 chains. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into a toe loop until you reach into the third last chain. Here my 7 single crochet stitches complete. Now in next chain I'm going to make 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2 single crochet. In first chain I'm going to make 1 single crochet, then into the next I'm going to make 2 single crochet. In last 2 chain repeat same pattern, make 1 into the first, make 2 into the last chain. Here my pattern complete, you see clearly how look it is. Next I'm going to make last slip stitch into the last chain, insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After that chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Just cut it in the last. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. So this is the complete and the final look of crochet shoe sole. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial for 2 years old baby. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.